Okay, now I'm going to hang this rail right here on this screw. Okay, screw on this drill bit. All right. Now I'm also going to do the same thing here. All right. So I'm going to stick this one in here. Okay. Now I'm going to take this rubber seal that goes here. All right. And that there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this mounted. And it's going to go right where it belongs. All right. So get that there. And put this up here where that goes. All right. So that mounts here. And then this one's going to go here. Okay. Then we're going to get this mounted in this. All right. I'm afraid you're not going to be able to see the rest of what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to get that all lined up here. Okay. I'm afraid you're not seeing what I'm doing here. All right, now get this mounted real quick. Okay, now let me see if you guys are seeing. Probably not. Oh, you are seeing it. Okay, great. Excellent. I didn't know you could see. All right, that's good. So I was holding this one, I got that up there, had this one being held in place by this. Now, next thing, we get this here. That should be lined up with this here. And if not, we can, now that that's mounted on that end. Okay, we're all good there. You change this from hammer drill to just hearing that sound, which tells you the hammer drill is engaged. You want to disengage the hammer drill to regular. All right, got rid of that hammer drill function. No longer engaged, and we will no longer hear that sound. All right, there we go. That one's set. Pull this out. Do the next one here. Okay, let's come up here. Now let's do the next one. Okay. All right. This one's it. Okay. Last but not least. Okay, I guess I could have put some silicone on my threads here of every screw. I could have done that. That hurt nothing. Actually, it's a good thing. Okay, that's looking good. That's looking good. Looking good. All right. My battery's dying. Go down to low gear. That's in first gear. Okay. Right, got that one. Battery's dying, but we should make it. There it is. A little more. And a little more. We should have enough in here to solid as a rock. That's what I'm talking about, Willis. Who remembers that? Who remembers that one? That's what I'm talking about, Willis. It's an old show. Hope that's not copyrighted. I don't think it is. Anyways. Alright, next I'm going to take some lacquer thinner on a rag. And I'm going to wipe this all down and get this all nice and cleaned up. And you'll never know. You'll never ever notice, ever had anything going on. Only you know, because I showed you my secret. Alright. Okay. Is that easy? That easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, hold on. Just bear with me 1 second. Hold on. Gotta go get the lacquer thinner. Seeing's believing. Okay, seeing is believing. What do we have here? Lacquer thinner. This is your best friend when it comes to cleanup. Unless you're around a painted surface. This will eat the paint right off. Just like acetone. I could use acetone for this also, just as well. Okay. Okay. Switch sides. Okay. All right. Looking gooder than new. Gooder. Gooder than new, I tell you. All right. Now, let's get this over to this other side. You may go, I've already seen enough. Well, I don't want to keep you here longer than you want to be here. That's for sure. But just trying to, seeing's believing. And I keep talking about lacquer thinner cleaning stuff up, but you haven't really seen me use much of it. Although when I did my video on removing the sealant, the water seal, the Mapes water seal, the green, you saw me use Pat lacquer thinner to remove that. That's a pretty mean green. And took it out without a problem. Okay, let's see, while I'm here, let's see what I can show. There you go, right here, right here. See that? Watch. You see it? How about right here? Gone. Okay? Right here. Lacquer thinner, folks. Lacquer thinner. Okay? See a little line right here? See it? Gone. Okay? How about right here? There's a bad looking spot right there. See that? Now that's on the grout, so I may have to end up scraping that because the grout's absorbed it. The grout has absorbed this here. And probably have to take my razor blade to that because of the grout. But you can see it coming off on the rag, alright? So just take, but with the grout absorbing it, And that's pretty heavy too. That's pretty heavy. So I take my blade, all right, razor blade. It's so heavy I can scrape it. Oh, that was some leftover grout on the wall. All right, now you can see here, all right, it's actually cutting off. That's how thick it was. That's why it wasn't wiping off. It was too thick. All right, because it's literally coming off here. See? It's gonna peel off here in just a second. Just got it. All right. Now, any residue that I have left, that lacquer thinner will remove it. No problem. If I cut it off, that's even better. But if it's so thick you can cut it, then it's going to take you a while if you're just rubbing it off, all right? So it's that thick. Cut it off. Cut off all the excess. And wipe down what's left. See. There you go. I got some other stuff going on here. All right, that's what's nice about the razor blade. You can catch it. All right. Now, real quick, I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I know our time is valuable. All right. But I just want to show you here in this area where it was so bad. Even this here, all right, that light, that'll just wipe right off. That's the same stuff. And here, okay. All right, so you can see lacquer thinner definitely does the job. So the next video, I may or may not do it, but to give you a little update here, I am going to put another coat of poly on this, all right? And then if I had some more textured paint, I could make that heavier and the little squares would completely disappear. But they're faded, you know, they don't stand out, it doesn't look bad, and I say that's acceptable. Okay, there's a little notch I made, if I get the right angle on it, for the razor holder. I'll show you what that'll look like finished. All right, so here's the razor holder right here, right there. All right, in my other videos, I was able to show you, give you a clear picture of the notch. Now that notch there looks okay, but that's finished, and that's how that's going to work. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so another coat of lacquer on that, and I'll be good to go. And it's probably usable now, but I just want to make sure, because paint normally doesn't go in a shower. But that's a textured paint. And it was a Testors paint, Testors brand. Testors is known for model cars. And so I guess they made this texture paint maybe like for the back of a bed of a truck or the undercarriage, you know, or that kind of thing for their model cars. But I'm using it on this, and it ought to work great. You know, it's not getting touched or bothered or rubbed, you know. And then with the polyurethane sealing it in there, it's locked in there. So I'm feeling really good and confident about that. And if nothing else, it's still an easy fix. But I would lacquer it down and remove it, scrape it and lacquer it down, start all over, and I'd be fine. So okay, bye for now, take care, and remember, as far as the paint, you don't put lacquer on a painted finish unless you want to remove it. You can put paint thinner on a painted surface to clean it. Paint thinner will clean your painted surface. Lacquer thinner will eat it up like acid. Remember that. Okay, so bye for now. Take care. We're just keeping it real and never give up because there's always a way. God bless. Bye for now. Bye.